In this video, I will show you how to recover abandoned carts in WooCommerce. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and open Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Abandoned Cart and look for a plugin like Cart Bounty or any reliable abandoned cart recovery plugin. Once you find it, click Install Now, then Activate. After activation, go to WooCommerce Settings or your plugin menu. Most abandoned cart plugins will add a new section where you can view all customers who added products to their cart but did not complete checkout. From there, you can see the abandoned carts list and start recovery actions like sending email reminders or automatic follow-ups to bring customers back. That's it. Once set up, the plugin will automatically track abandoned carts and help you recover lost sales. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.